ene Benab FC echna ena saa game no baso na saa game no ena ye bia be final preparation na kotokodi be free kudua mu akopiem ewo enkran akotoa phase 2 no so na nkofo eguso keka se test edi ma player bi te se Dogo Yakubu Johnson Opon Walid Nema ena Prince Bedua enka omuyi na kwa na yesa friend se mema last chance no ebia we nso kofo do mani behwe no sa nkoya coach no ebetumi ejane ha ti we ene ne ese eno ne kakra abawa change wo bekara ebo mo wi na akwaje di aka no ewo onuanom eho
ova yempe bibi ni ndi ni yempe ba bi ntina na nsem ni bi o ha o kan ho asema a obre when it comes to the FA and their decisions after tournament unhia se obenya ni unim say eden a yewe tournament no mbefre for some of these stakeholder meetings near there. Our archive time Ghana ko feli ewo AFCON 2023 Côte d'Ivoire yeba no yeba ya na mpanimfo be table so omo be stakeholders meet or pram I mean what 2023 and 2024 AFCON ye ko feli 2020 omo say be stakeholders meet or pram ye be invite to omo ye less 10
Sancho for be ba hwan I remember I do remember that amaso ana
and so Ghana for referee AFCON ye free mu pamo Preseason ne attention akọ coach ye be fan coach ye mfa no ni jato you see ade ne yare aho na yare na yare no ye nye ya nyi be sa yare no we need to fix certain things in our game. We need a restructuring of our game, of our teams bibro I say your academies ukruma team bibro I say your division 4 division 5
what's in the team no order than I'm pushing on division 4 5 I didn't reason
there are even some division 1 teams are I say a shame near catch say facilities no they should be playing in division 3 division 4
so only a club license and juma
no make us say san your money nyina ho hia born en hye na enya prekuto niema ni pani hu se wo no nioma wo de we pa na abetimi ayenti yema yen yen hye asie ni ye because as of now even if you need Premier League players that are very good enough for the under 20 under 17 I think Kenya an under 17 league ewe kuruma
under 17
league ewe kuruma ai boni zona
na kotolo na say the bobo Ashanti region ne ebi ne kan ho je
make us say we need those things well managed to papa nti coach ni pe players e ho na obekọ owia no ahe ebi etimi apie wo ebi akotokobi Premier League ni bi no de afra awo mo boni ye o until I'm say there are even some division 1 clubs of keeping year and some division 3 sai she ni nyina no panyini ni suro bi se ye koto aba ye ntia asema nti efuntu from ya sese gu mu an ye di boko you have a lot to do when it comes to our game over England transfer almost structure Germany share Spain for share France for after the 2010 World Cup failure over almost share England for be kaya in fixing their national teams no decided they would take their lower games very serious. Almost start here introduce their homegrown players. Your research will say league no diagram sike kuto teams no. And it's an person top players from outside. No one can some players attitude ukrumo in league ni bimbo. To say the homegrown aba. Maybe at least you have to register about 5 players. At age 18 no that super ball no ukruma no mu feel ukruma. As a register count to create that opportunity. And I'm say over when they create that opportunity for their players and they are not well trained, I'm out for the so keke. So they decided they said they will fix the number of coaches who produce here and they are talking about coaches. Now but then Ghana pa na kasi say coaches are ya recycle coaches ni nyina asi. Amo mu nyina almost obiaso we die guesi.
Yes, obi ntimi mabia maybe for frana.
They say coaches in Ukraine. Me see England for ne offer they even decided to there was a conscious effort regarding the development of coaches. Ya try Ogun under 17. And then try now. Ya try Kasim Mengo local blasters. You try Tanko, local blasters under 23, under 20. You try Maso Kunedu. You try Karim Zito. You some Obodu assistant pen. Eddie Afra. Of a boy when you and try.
Abo ana fair come my
From Paul Manso Muswenya, national teams didn't be a conenam. Of a wire. Is it Ghana Mpuno? Only say, you know, a do there, then a club, your Juma Bedawa. Getting a coach becomes a problem. When you say Captain Master, dear. Local coaches, you know, Ghana ha. They say a coach be chance better. No be per coach. Obre.
Merry go round ya. I know Anna, Omoyana. Na, send no, Abebo. What room so you upcoming for no, when it has so be more. I know Monson or Banasa, like I can be said. Omuko ya Merry go round. No Monson could be Biana, rather than the bound board.
You will even a coaching issue because the rate at which our coaches are failing. Of another thing. They say the next generation you because your league ya boy and a house you brony. Kotoko brony. Say
next say end over Dennis and come friend and come.
Why?
Of fairness, so friend generation Ibia. In upcoming for an American side.
No, and an ajma now.
Aha, na come back and najma.
Christopher,
manya tu Paraka hotere.
Of a new. It was Oshadi any dear. Yeah, bre. Oh, Bankaboni in year. Stephen Odru a jai coach, we jai football tiabruchiri. Nana Hindi a jai or tiabruchiri. Ishmeladu a jai or tiabruchiri.
Natela kwa baba. Tela jamaa. Henrich Munina.
Hindia. Michael say about power.
Oko chia ntuno se ko dwumu nyina.
Kan nyen sa na senke ye no. E say Europe pusha ateta owie board aban is o coach.
Obi so on board.
Company wie da be o coach. Xavi Alonso wie da ben o coach. Abela Bero and o Fulham wie da ben o coach. Sa na ye no. Uwie a na wakọ ha. Enyom nyina na be kwa bibi ba ko ye agent. Njem fa sen kamuntari Asamoah Gyan esien mo.
Na so bia nsi mu kwa na wani na enyo ho.
Say agro no kwa fa so ya agro no no. Enya wakono no aba. Aden ka ya akono a. Ofanka player na ebo ball na aboso okokochi. You be kan da foforo but that should tell us say mabobo boso nketenkete the structure of our system, league system in here address. The quality of coaches in here address. The quality of agency cry over because we don't have a problem with raw materials. But we have a problem with finished product. Okay, see enya kwan a ya mrantie ebi be free hantem akonko fu kro so ma ye ni yi amaye oba see go dey tun Ghana dey kwa no ne nti see enya sa kwan e betimi a ke bia fa se muntari agent ana muntari wo agency ene yo di omande an ho asema be Mas Gradel ya nanse an obobo ye okodivu ayo ono ne agency ene ne Rock Nation e pre so imagine my Classian wo agency imagine Kwadwa Asamoah Juventus. Remember say agency. Or do call Juventus I say anything. So my Classian call Chelsea and my Classian call even France. Some of the French teams or boy. Moses say on right to dream not general money now. But you can say yes, imagine someone like Asamoah Gyan. Maybe Uncle Bibisa well established. I almost scouted a farm quality free had the choir. Heading Kabit Maya boy. Into some penny phoning in and see a pequan I bet you about be a babo no more. Of another siafem into a pentama frimu of a uncle him. Kotoko training. And no gusu kosoa. They say from the look of things, you know, it appears that by Saturday we were the first stage of the preseason, which was a observation and physicals. Yan kind of question I coaching here. Or your physicals or your observation. I think the second stage in the more tactical kakra where a hono observation so better. Into observation here who Augustine Randolph about over right back or because right back no pumpu na ka quarter and is somebody Abu Adams 15 in Abeshaw. Once more try Saka so
Saka
Dauda.
Hey
Saka.
Saka
Say Dogo Kromo try no left back.
Oh, Simon.
Was a Dogo 2 kwan.
But coach is when the animal to maybe be able
Dogo 2 kwan kobo left back.
I heard that.
No strike our guy.
Yeah, sure.
Mid city ono. And 2 kwan kobo left back. And oba Kotoko say be leading. Ti won say coach no, omo try no left back what he say.
Okay.
Dogo the
Ono be ever buana.
Because we got transfer market cry. The main position of Dogo Yakubu is left back. You can easily search it. Left back. Into over goalkeeping, so they clear say they will pick that lad.
Oh yeah, sure.
2 years.
Report I may pick no.
Yeah. 2 years we are man on Aziz Abepre. Then you the youth team keeper na count near Hessen Ebeko. So right back, left back, center back so on say Congo yi Mayele the last time friendly match
on the go back
11 or Shego. Almost try Joseph Amu our left back left center.
But so bon ni pa so Shego mo ndi o.
Don't share. I mean I said don't share. Almost try Joseph Amu our left center back. And then finish so more try over. I think say after Saturday send Eddie can now observation here we into your observation now wow do be can hono of animal wow one count so this exercise have been very smooth. Me my only issues and coming yank starting them kakra because by Saturday near do 10th August transfer window do close to 23rd. So I have na 13 days. There's a 2 weeks. Say if for them be mo ha na anko you bia na abenya no. Oba me say come na America na say.
Me follow pa.
Bia you bia na obetimi anya na eja no kwan. Na bia no so ba be another issue for the club. But so far it has been very good. Friendly matches never receive players not the best. On my restructuring me so youth team ho. E bia anya ne. On my youth team players ni be so kwan ho.
And also mate I feel na mo so more sa
so nothing said that was solely the recommendation of Hamza.
Okay.
It has a boy.
And got Hamza the catch say Hamza kan ya mo bi an mfi no ne more no.
O me JJ bi kwan ho a. E bi entin. So I think they are on the right direction regards to what they are doing. By adwuma no so or by adwuma no nya adwuma keto a. They say me hwe din na me hwe Kotoko strike players na ho na. I feel they will definitely need a center back. They will need a creative midfielder. At least striker, they will need one. Over because in players na they can free team near 11 no. Or more last season or more boy at this season register me 11. I'm out for Adrian course. Kamara, Benjamin Chum, 2 goalkeepers. Lord Amwa, the any injury because on no train on count until there's no number register. But last year I could register. No. Francis Aqua left back the call. Then there's Samba Unel. Last season you ever starting no account. Ansu last season you ever starting no account. And Ablo. Normally I like to talk about Ablo because on also no last season you could register no. But we'll be film in the middle. There's Peter Aqua, there's Albert Amwa, there's Kwame Puku, and there's Baba Yaya. Oh, into a Vaki Kambu man say we 11. Into 2 names here base. They say when you set in a over set in a recovery. Now it's a born crash set in young boy. He has to send who bet me a ton enough. I'm at the technical team aheno. I take a decision on him. Whether of the mechan is another issue.
I bet away.
I'm in a media man go stars.
I got to compare him.
I don't really know. Me na him say the last time I check in advanced position. But nanka upe players me know him say people be happy to see them back. Bank be Peter Nebi Albert.
Yeah.
Because of share options available, but could do advanced position in regards to them.
Okay.
And Albert Sonumpono, me sure say coach in about approve and go back try so be hene kakra.
Ko ni probability dey say me gini ko ni problem.
So no process be person be man. So Kotoko here some additions over.
Okay.
On Walid. Me na me dwen say Walid bit me flourish wo. Ten class system because the 10 class can pet say born a born no. Dogo, I think Dogo contract should not be terminated. Dogo a player, as I said, Omushishim, Omoma baby, na the mom, and now say Division 1 for Ibi Okrum hey, especially Asante region bottom hey, which me now might be a future stars, which me now may be a.
Maybe I would do no future stars.
National free Division 2 no 2 kwayo. Dogo no more premium.
But what about the room straight there?
Player, and no 2 kwayo.
But you bet me this thing. Premier League Club CP,
I say, such talent, you give it another chance. Nancy Anna, you discuss about the Bailey, Richmond Opuku. Pokunti ne bre Kotoko. Carries academy to Kotoko. But Bobby out of
na etwa so say o kan na ka me so Matisse so Poku Adjuma ko flash Kotoko training
all around.
Okay.
O Poku
Poku Adjuma. For match and go player.
Okay. Okay. Where Isaac Poku Adjuma. Almost squad no munya issues no account. Yes. Nti ono so ono so a striker.
Amra woni ha dem so match Asante de ni bi.
Dogo say no omumpe loan bi. Morfin don't do the of our Tiska Oji. Now, a coach who say on pulley the then the ultimate solution will be letting Morfin Dones go. Zakaria does have no Panameka say, I strongly believe they should give him a chance. Over. Okay. Say experience, no be here. I will give him. So, okay. So far, so good work Kotoko side.
Maybe because I wanna,
you know, me, a better size of Kotoko, team. But I'm say, I always post at time a message in the band or Kanya, a boo on Tina say in Umbrano. And pam se dem tie me
tie ho kakra good
na se nyumra no ko di hu djuma o ka se nra obi se no message say about assistant coach of Kotoko Abo John
good
the coach say Kotoko next assistant coach on Ghana ni
hey
on say foreigner
Filamai
yeah
oh Samum hey yana Kotoko scout
first assistant no dey by Eric Tinkler din assistant ba
any uncle shadi no akwana kan you
first assistant na die Aaron Tinkler
or the obi fita na so obi fru baby ba
obi na ba
second na ibenya no Ghana ha se bia Hamza na se obi baba
the pedigree no anywhere the coach amakodu no ba say na umfo bi information on ko edwuma
na no ya na omu na ekere se yesu yetimi esere wo mu
enti wo de no ba basic assistant
okay
on ka say on fa
bi wo de no bi nka ho okay
ba ni immediate assistant na first
one
so
you obi ogini dia na say open good matuas
sana team coach onim no wet bia no o me mbisa enti enra just that edina yenim how it the ordinary ba but one thing that a bit me I can say or the assistant ba or the bar na bia musumo obi am fi say
basa mo wode na ka hono tete no a say ka ne ebo ne ya jemu bi ne ades no okaka ho okay
the assistant coach there on one of the
that's it Filaman
yen say adwuma no
good ewie no
tio me hwe no ufa first list of players now kwai Poku mune na efrimu a Kotoko senior players in 21 players na aka no plus Shaibu who is out long term injured right back no guy
good
plus in team
Shaibu Abubakar
yes
good
plus in team Manu who is out injured plus Kojo Set who is out injured plus Lord Amwa who is out.
Kojo dey also satellite you. But when you fan kan good.
Ojan join main team no. Enti 21 no.
Beka
ote 4 ne free mu a na aka 17
good.
So na come 17 senior players. No mo mpo no ame yebodi no. Ebi o a nkomo no titi a o se max do mo because 17 na aka Johnson mu nya aka ho bi.
Johnson upon.
Yeah, 17 no Prince Bedu eka ho bi. So 17 no Walid eka ho bi. 17 no so far the yes these are the played 17 no what three from 3 amabo mu dia question back do mo na from bo a tino enka 14 that is work to kujina na tino no kwaya me ni keeper aka last year no Dari sorry Dari Aziz Dari a sort na me yame me more those that I think say omonko do omontra Dari have to stay so be number 1 so mo do be na ebo
for sure
but he has to be part of the team based on money ball last year even though na that am come praise but he has to stay oba ekire ho a Amzata Zakara Fuseni Patrick Esiedu Joseph Amwa and Lord Amwa Shaibu Abubakar
Obo Patrick say.
Okay. So Ubo sa list where Amzata stay. Zakaria Hussein stay.
Okay.
At least based on the experience in the local league. Last year when a good one. But at least me fan say environment na amfa the experience no obet by the recover and to give him another chance to prove himself and Zakaria stay. Asiedu stay. Joseph Amwa another chance to prove himself at least. Watch us Timbo multi positions and to man a chance.
What if Fred be asked by Bias play and I'm referring
on the free, you know,
Philip Amo, I'll never make an Philip Amo.
Lord Amwa stays, Korte stays, Shaba Obaka stay.
Good.
Then Oban Fimfiwa in team
for 2 minutes we now our community
in team stay, Joe stay, Serkojo stay, Emmanuel Entry stay, Walid Nema, Scanner can Toro. And I sorry, I didn't man now buy. Yes, first is in Amfa, but I would want them to give him another chance to prove himself. And he chance na na give some bobo na say, you know, understand? And you know, or until also on justify period to like convince the coach why
answer so kwa na
so team no. And also a question mark, but the question mark but to one no. And Adabo stays. It's President do so question mark and baton. Sunday Obed mo predi as en man chance no. And he offer a chance no dey. And find justify to prove to the coach. And he question mark on Prince Bedu, question mark on Evan saying Walid Nema. Donzu. Bye bye.
On the only question mark Biafra.
Bye bye.
Okay. Now I should go.
Oh, there we Donzu there so.
Yo.
Saka Dauda stay.
Okay.
So ever there already no medical catch under that.
Okay.
Johnson Owusu question mark.
Johnson.
Because season be end no.
And
you know, question mark
justify no.
Is justify himself as to why and so authority also a question mark. Minta say oya feta stay.
So parent when you can just
Minta there me do what dance here because me have watching one of those players that local league no me share ni pa the last season before he left Mediama do 2 kwan sorry Ediana do 2 kwan. So if Minta omo access no mo fit dia stay.
Okay.
Eti o hwe list mu dia from the 21 no as a member list no sir as a aka be 30 no
mo to kakregum no ma fan kwan bia frafra
coach no odwuma and I'm sure say from next week you know we should start seeing incomings.
Yeah, sure.
Because be a team no do no
we ko akra ne dia bi be foreign players bi be share mo.
Yes sir.
Akomya fakakra na me fade aka na ma callers no.
Benefo be say bi show no na to be abin. So over we be back foreign players we be ba say ya o ma san na so be justify. These are players signed our ma be shim or they are also a justifying players. You know, time is not on our side. Time is not on our side. That not make actually say now suppose supporters and you have Bromo agititi, but only Kotoko difference be anymore. Kotoko coach bantem, but players are not there because now me just when you be free. Me why you who the ever can. But you know assurance
is ya be no so biri also we now do more commission. How can time factor?
Time factor.
Because we the shame the an kenye you. Also we o mo pro mo no. Na the new ones have come
to level caliber. Your players they don't come and do justify. Unim say we mu. These are players targeted on Mabi room. And I hear one never call. They all train together. Say the beya coach you training now or do mo ye no. I don't think we be son is no. Not the data part of the players no. The benefit of training with the coach and understand the coach in the system. It is a statistics in about prayer. And you're feeling no more justify within the season. I just what I say. But the coach now moves that question say, well, assurance be na home say, Ibrahim from one bano. Yeah, those ready-made players, ya Jomo say players almost probably almost justify. Kone ye you be ko na no. you who on my account. But you're confident in the coach or think of South Africa, but your Menzo, if you say they are bringing professionalism to the team, but over the the incomings are you outgoers. Maybe free say be mechanical make us a benefit to be sure man how to be a thing. On me buy say you sure say we money everybody are. Don't we keep those players and train with them because everyone will use them for the season. And how good are they? Those are they baron compared to them. These are many questions, but that we need to ask. But I say in confidence be tinkler, as if he's bringing a magic wand be. Or for that magic wand, no. The kind of player that are coming, and the Bemo, the Jumano. So, I'm still waiting to see that. I'm not convinced.
Okay.
To be honest with you, the Kotoko, but I'm not convinced about how
process.
Process.